Can you understand this story? Stay until the end to test yourself. Emma was 16 years old and lived in a small town in England. She loved reading books about different countries and cultures. One day, her teacher told the class about a pen pal program. You can write letters to students in other countries, the teacher explained. Emma was very excited about this idea. She signed up immediately and chose Japan as her preferred country. 2 weeks later, Emma received a letter from a girl named Yuki. Yuki was also 16 and lived in Tokyo. In her first letter, Yuki introduced herself and her family. She had an older brother and a cat named Machi. Emma wrote back the same day. She told Yuki about her life in England and her love for books. The letters traveled slowly between England and Japan. Each letter took about 2 weeks to arrive. But Emma did not mind waiting. Every time she saw a letter from Japan in the mailbox, she felt happy. Yuki wrote about Japanese traditions and festivals. She described the cherry blossom season in spring. The trees are covered with pink flowers, Yuki wrote. People have picnics under the trees and enjoy the beauty. Emma told Yuki about English customs. She explained how people drink tea in the afternoon. She also wrote about her school and her friends. Months passed, and the girls continued to exchange letters. They learned so much about each other's lives. Yuki sent Emma a small gift for her birthday. It was a beautiful origami crane made of colorful paper. Emma treasured the gift and hung it in her room. For Yuki's birthday, Emma sent her a book of English poetry. Yuki was very happy and started learning more English words from it. After 1 year, the girls felt like best friends. They shared their hopes and dreams in their letters. Yuki wanted to become a fashion designer. Emma dreamed of being a travel writer. One day, Emma had an exciting idea. She asked her parents if she could visit Japan. Her parents thought it was a wonderful idea. They started saving money for the trip. Emma wrote to Yuki immediately with the news. I am coming to visit you next summer, she wrote. Yuki was overjoyed when she received the letter. She showed it to her family and they all smiled. Yuki's parents said Emma could stay at their house. The months before the trip passed quickly. Emma learned some Japanese words to prepare for her visit. Finally, the day of her departure arrived. Emma felt nervous but excited on the plane. After a long flight, she landed in Tokyo. She walked through the airport looking for Yuki. Then she saw a girl holding a sign with her name. It was Yuki, exactly as Emma had imagined her. The two girls ran to each other and hugged. I cannot believe you are really here, Yuki said with tears in her eyes. Me neither, Emma replied, also crying happy tears. They spent 2 wonderful weeks together. Yuki showed Emma all the beautiful places in Tokyo. They visited temples, tried Japanese food, and took many photos. When it was time to leave, both girls cried again. Next year, I will visit you in England, Yuki promised. Emma smiled and knew that their friendship would last forever. Learn with LingoStories.app.